Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Miss. Today we are going to do the evaluation for math, mathematics, and science, right? So it will be taken for LP next week. Here we can start from the homework. Yeah. Please answer it from the question number one, Miss. This is the science home.
Screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Owls use their sharp sense of hearing to hunt at night. Is it true? Because owls have a sharp sense of hearing to catch their prey. And then eagles use their sharp sense of smell to find prey. Is it false? Because eagles cannot smell from the farther away. Some predators like snakes and tarantulas use venom to poison their prey. Is it true? Because a snake and tarantulas venom or have a venom to weaken their prey. Rabbit and deer have a large ears to detect danger from different directions. It's true because rabbit have a long and large, large ears to detect the voices from another directions. And then tortoise protect themselves by hiding inside their cells. It's true because tortoise always hiding inside their cells to avoid being attacked or eaten by another animal.
Yeah. This is the animal adaptation to find their food, right? So, for the question number two, eagles use their sharp sense of smell to find prey, and you say this is the wrong statement because eagles
Cannot.
doesn't use the cannot smell in the far direction
Yeah.
distance, right? But so how the eagles adaptation to find the prey?
Or the eagle's adaptation to find a prey by using because eagles have a sub sense of sight, only
Oh,
sight from the apa, the sky, because eagles always like to fly in the sky, so eagles have a sub sense of sight.
or sharp sense of
Sight.
sight. Okay, I see. Question number one.
Some predator use blank 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 to able blend with surroundings. It's camouflage. What sense does an owl have to hunt at night? What sense does owl have? It is owl can hearing, and then owl can see well in the dark. What the function of large ear rabbit and deer? The function of large ear and deer is to make them able to hear any sound from either directions. Number four, animal hunted by predator for sustenance called prey. What is the definition of limbs? Is it a body part that using for moving and holding?
Okay. Question number one.
What's the function of heart cell and spines from prey animal? The function of heart cell and spines is like to protect them from predator that want to eat them, because spines and heart cell cannot eaten by a predator.
Heart cell and spines. Oh yeah. Okay. Question number two.
What adaptation do predator have? Predator have a special features that can help them to catch the prey. Example like a lion have a sharp teeth to tear the meat of the prey, and then some tarantulas and snake have a venom to make weaken their prey, and also eagle and owl have a substance to sight. What adaptation do prey have? The prey have adaptation to run quickly and hiding from the predator they want to attack them. The adaptation do prey have, it's like camouflage and then also run quickly like a deer. Explain to different adaptation predator to catch their prey. The different adaptations, it's like uh, the snake and the tarantulas have venom to make weaken their prey, and also the the eagle have subside from to see at the sky.
Yeah.
And then two differences between two different adaptation that prey have. to protect themselves from predator. They have like an teacher can rolling his body, so the predator will cannot eat the teacher because it's so hard the cell, and then the some prey have spines to protect them get eaten by another animal.
Okay. Next, we move to math. Okay, we can start from the question number 1.
Okay, which activity take less than 1 second? It's blinking once. Which activity typically takes more than 1 second? It's drinking glass of water. Which time span matches blowing up a balloon? It's 2 minutes. What is the most likely duration of for brushing teeth? It's 2 minutes.
Okay.
Which of the following number is nearest to 21.0 when rounded to the nearest whole number? It's 21.2. The number of 28.5 is closer to B, close 29. Which digit is in the hundredth place of 21.06? It's 6. C. What is the sum of 0.3 and 0.06? It's A, 0.36.
Next.
Stands for something else as a symbol. It's called representations. 0.3 inflection is 3/10. And then what is the definition of the decimal? The definition of the decimal is a dot showing a part of whole. The decimal of 400 is 0.04. 9 hour 50 minute 20 second plus with 40 second become, this is 9 hour 50 minute 20 second. 20 second plus 40 second, we can put it into the second. Plus 0 plus 3 become 3, and then 2 plus 4 becomes 63, and then this is going down. But we must remember it cannot you put more than 60 second. So we need to minus this with the 60 second. So it's equal 3, and then the half, the rest is we put in here plus 1. Become 51. So 9 hour 51 minute 3 second.
Next.
The journey to school takes 14 minutes. Mary has to be in school 7:10 a.m. What is the latest time can leave to reach the school? So because the journey takes 14 minutes, and she need to school at 7:10 a.m. Just need to my subtraction the hour minus 14, it equals 0. Minus 4 cannot, so we can borrow from 1. This is become 0. 10 minus 4 equals 6. And then because this is 0, we need to borrow from the other number. So we borrow 1 in here, becomes 6. And then if you want to make it to another room, example this one, another room, and then it must be 1 hour, it's equal 16 minutes, 60 minutes. So 6 minus 1 equal 5, and then 6 going down. So Mary need to be go to school at 6:56.
Okay.
Next, Devi divides the paper into 10 equal parts. She colored 4 strips red, then she colored 3 strips yellow, and another 3 strips blue. How much of the paper color of red? So the red is 3 strips from the 10. So it means 3/10, or in the decimal it's 0.3.
No, the red is 4, right? She colors 4 strips.
Oh,
right?
sorry. Okay. 4 strip, it means in the fraction 4/10, and then 0.4.
Okay, 0. Oke. Ya, sekarang kita ke matematika. Oke, kita mulai dari pertanyaan pertama, Miss.
Oke, bilangan manakah yang merupakan bilangan prima? Yang merupakan bilangan prima adalah B11, Faktor prima dari 24 adalah 2 dan 3. Nomor 3, manakah di bawah ini yang bukan bilangan prima, yaitu 9. Hasil faktorisasi prima dari 42 adalah A, 2 kali 3 kali 7. Di perpustakaan ada 12 buku cerita, 18 pensil warna, dan 24 penggaris. Berapa jumlah kelompok terbanyak yang bisa dibuat, berarti mencari FPB? 6.
6 ya.
Lampu taman menyala setiap 6 menit dan lampu jalan menyala 8 menit. Keduanya bersamaan pada pukul 7. Maka kalau ditanya kapan aktivitas itu muncul kembali, kita dapat mencari KPK dari 6 dan 8 menggunakan tabel saja, lebih praktis. 6 dan 8 dapat dibagi 2, sama dengan 3, ini 4. Lalu masih dapat dibagi 2 lagi. Ini 2, ini tidak dapat dibagi 2, menjadi kita turunkan 3-nya. Lalu masih ada bilangan yang masih bisa dibagi 2. Kita lanjutkan, ini hasilnya 1, karena 2 dibagi 2 sama dengan 1, 3 turun karena tidak bisa dibagi dengan 2. Lalu kita cari bilangan prima setelah angka 2, yaitu 3. 3 dibagi 3 sama dengan 1, 1 turun. Jadi KPK dari 6 dan 8 adalah 2 dikali 2 dikali 2 dikali 3, sama dengan 24. Jadi jam 7 ditambahkan dengan 24 sama dengan B.
Oke. Ya. Next, nomor 7. Nomor 7.
Di kebun 16 bunga mawar dan 20 bunga matahari akan ditata dalam barisan. Berapa bunga per baris terbanyak? Kalau ditanya mencari yang terbanyak pada barisan, berarti mencari FPB. 16 dan 20 FPB-nya adalah 4. Kakak membuat 18 kue coklat dan 24 permen. 18 kue coklat dan 24 permen. Berapa plastik terbanyak yang bisa dibuat? Tentu mencari FPB, yaitu jawabannya 6.
Nomor 7 bukan 4 jawabannya. Kemarin itu nomor 7. Pertanyaannya kan berapa bunga per baris terbanyak yang mungkin.
FPB-nya 4, Sir, tapi per baris yang mungkin 5.
Iya, jawabannya 5. Tadi bisa punya
4.
Oh iya. Ya, FPB-nya 4, tapi yang paling baris terbanyak 5. Nomor 8. Nomor 8 tadi
udah 6.
Jawabannya berapa plastik terbanyak?
18 dan 24.
18, 24, 6. Oke. Next Miss, question number 1. Yang pertama.
Oke, tentukan FPB dari 36 dan 120 dengan menggunakan tabel. Dengan menggunakan tabel adalah 36, di sini 120. Oke, 36 dan 120 kita cari dulu terlebih dahulu apakah dua bilangan itu dapat dibagi dengan angka yang sama. Tentu dapat dibagi dengan angka yang sama, yaitu dapat sama-sama dibagi dengan 2. 36 dibagi 2 sama dengan 18, 120 dibagi 2 sama dengan 60. Jika kedua bilangan ini dapat dibagi bersamaan, maka lingkari terlebih dahulu bilangan tersebut. Lalu 18 dan 60 masih bisa dibagi 2. 18 dibagi 2 sama dengan 9. 60 dibagi 2 sama dengan 30. Kita lingkari kembali karena dapat membagi dua bilangan tersebut. Lalu 9 dan 30. 30 masih bisa dibagi 2, lalu kita letakkan bilangan prima 2. 30 dibagi 2 sama dengan 15. 9 dibagi 2 tidak bisa, lalu kita turunkan 9-nya. Nah, 9 dan 15 sudah tidak bisa lagi dibagi dengan bilangan 2. Jadi kita pakai yang bilangan prima setelah 2, yaitu 3. 9 dibagi 3 sama dengan 3. 15 dibagi 3 sama dengan 5. Sama-sama bisa dibagi, kita lingkari bilangannya. Lalu 3 dan 5 masih bisa ada yang dibagi 3, yaitu 3 bagi 3 sama dengan 1. Lalu 5 dibagi 3 tidak bisa, maka kita turunkan 5-nya. Lalu cari bilangan yang bisa dibagi dengan 5, yaitu 5. 5 dibagi 5 sama dengan 1. 5 dibagi 1 sama dengan 1. Jadi jawabannya adalah 2 dikali 2 kali 3. 2 kali 2, 4. 4 kali 3, 12.
Nomor 2.
Oke, kelipatan persekutuan terkecil dari 6 dan 9. Jika mencari kelipatan persekutuan terkecil, maka mencari KPK. Dari KPK dari 6 dan 9 itu bisa menggunakan tabel kembali 6 dan 9. 6 dan 9 dibagi 2 terlebih dahulu karena 2 merupakan bilangan prima terkecil. 6 dibagi 2 sama dengan 3. 9 dibagi 2 tidak bisa, kita turunkan 9-nya. Lalu 9 dan 3 tidak bisa dibagi 2. Kita lanjut ke bilangan prima selanjutnya, yaitu 3. 3 dibagi 3 sama dengan 1. 9 dibagi 3 sama dengan 3. Di sini 3, karena 3 dapat dibagi 3 yaitu 1, satunya turun kembali karena 3 dibagi 1 sama dengan 1. Jadi KPK-nya adalah 2 dikali 3 sama dengan 6 dikali 3. 6 dikali 3 sama dengan 18.
Ya, KPK dari 69 adalah 18. Oke. Okay, Miss, maybe we can start from this first. Mencari KPK dan FPB menggunakan pohon faktor.
Oh ya. 28 bisa dibagi 2 sama dengan 14. 14 bisa dibagi 2 sama dengan 7. Lalu 50 bisa dibagi 2 sama dengan 25. 25 tidak bisa dibagi 2 dan tidak bisa dibagi 3. Kita lanjut ke bilangan selanjutnya yaitu dapat 5. 25 dibagi 5 sama dengan 5. Lalu 28 sama dengan 2 pangkat 2 dikali 7. 50 sama dengan 2 dikali 5 pangkat 2. Nah, kalau mau mencari KPK dengan pohon faktor, ada 2 bilangan yang sama di sini. 2 pangkat 2 dan 2. Jika mencari pohon faktor, pilihlah bilangan yang memiliki nilai lebih banyak, yaitu 2 pangkat 2 dikali 5 dan 7.
Itu FPB, Miss.
Oh, sorry. 2 pangkat 2 dikali 5 pangkat 2 dikali 7. 2 pangkat 2 sama dengan 4. 4 dikali 25, lalu dikali 7. 25 dikali 4 sama dengan 100. 100 dikali 7 sama dengan 700. Lalu FPB dari 28 dan 50 adalah ada bilangan yang sama, yang berpasangan. Kalau pohon faktor ambil yang paling terkecil yaitu 2. Jadi FPB-nya adalah 2.
FPB-nya 2. Ya. Okay. Now we move to the book. Okay, here we have. So for the topic next week will be
Predator and prey.
talk about adaptation.
No.
This one.
This one.
This one. Adaptation of predators and prey. So every animals, even they are prey or predators, they have some features as the adaptation to help them survive, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how do you explain this one first to the students? I want
No.
to ask this one first
Okay.
about this thinking cap.
Yeah. Some animals like tigers and zebras have strips on their bodies. What are these strips for? Okay, some animals like zebra and the tiger have a strips is used for camouflage in the environment. Such as tigers. Tigers have strips black and the color it's orange goes to brown. It can help the tigers to it can help the tiger to camouflage at the grassland, and then the zebra also camouflage at the grassland.
Okay. Yeah, the spiny tortoise. Okay, we have here actually some kind of the adaptation is called camouflage. So can you explain what is camouflage about?
Okay, camouflage is like a sense that can help you, or the ability that can help you blending with the surrounding. It's like a lion at the grassland have a same color like grassland in the Africa, so they can help to hiding to catch the prey suddenly.
Oh yeah, so that is camouflage. The camouflage, the predator using camouflage to catch the prey,
Yeah,
and the prey,
using the camouflage used to hiding from the
yeah.
predator.
Okay, yeah, I think this quite clear to explain these deers, and this one you have inside the homework right about deers and
Yeah.
rabbit that has the big eyes, big ears
Yes,
to hear the
from the other directions.
yeah, it allows them to hear the sound of the predator, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we can move to math. So for the next week, you will have math and mathematical project, right?
Yes.
So please explain first about what is the project is. We start from the math first.
Okay. The project of math, it's like we are selling. So I will divide into four group, each of them, and then two group it's acting to be a seller, penjual in Indonesia, and then the one will be the buyer,
Okay,
pembeli.
wait first. This topic is about
Math decimal.
decimal number.
Yes,
Okay.
decimal and time
Oh, okay.
combined.
Next.
Okay, and then I will provide them with the fake money using that decimal, the value-nya decimal,
Okay.
and then I will give to them, and uh, I uh, I acting to be like their mother. That I want to buy something, so the buyer need to buy some kind of materials, and then need to exchange the money using the fake money to seller, from the seller to the buyer, from the buyer to the seller.
Okay, I see. So the you make the transaction by the using operation of decimal, right?
Yes.
Oke. Ya, untuk matematika sendiri,
Ya.
proyek yang akan dilaksanakan itu seperti apa, Miss?
Untuk matematika itu proyeknya tentang KPK dan FPB. Nah, nanti di setiap kelompok akan saya bagi menjadi 6 kelompok. Nah, dari 6 kelompok itu saya akan memberi mereka setiap angka bilangan-bilangan KPK, misalnya 6 dan 9. Lalu mereka di sini ada mereka menggambar atau menggambarkan lingkaran seperti ini. Faktor persekutuan dari 6. Dari 6 kan ada yang pertama itu 0, 0. Ini 6 nilainya. Lanjut selanjutnya dari 6 kan ada 12. Berarti mereka harus menggambar kembali sampai 12. Sama dengan dapat 12. Lanjut selanjutnya lanjut sampai ke lingkaran selanjutnya sampai mereka mendapatkan di mana lingkaran ini akan bertemu bersama.
Oh, ya. Oke, berarti ini proyeknya akan juga dilaksanakan dalam bentuk grup.
Ya.
Okay, I see. I will ask for from some checkpoint question actually. So let me
Yes.
open this one first. Since for the next week you will have review as well, right? Review checkpoint.
Ya.
Is it? Where is it? Here. Huh? In here, oh, supporting.
Ya. P5 resources, math or math.
Oh yeah, here we have. Maybe I will ask from Mathematika. Urutan mana? Atau persekutuan. Oke, pertanyaan nomor 3, Bis.
Oke. Ayah, tolong diperkecil sedikit lagi, Sir.
Oh ya.
Oke, ayah membeli 12 kaos dan 8 celana. Oke, barang-barang itu akan diberikan ke anak yatim piatu. Lalu berapa jumlah anak terbanyak yang akan menerima pemberian dari ayah? Ada kata terbanyak berarti mencari FPB. FPB dari 12 dan 8. 12 dan 8 bisa sama-sama dibagi 2. 12 dibagi 2 sama dengan 6, 8 dibagi 2 sama dengan 4. Lalu kita lingkarin, karena merupakan bilangan yang bisa membagi 2 bilangan tersebut. Lalu ada 6 dan 4, 6 dan 4 dapat dibagi dengan 2. 6 dibagi 2 sama dengan 3, 4 dibagi 2 sama dengan 2. Lingkari kembali bilangan tersebut. 3 dan 2 masih ada yang bisa dibagi 2, yaitu 2 dibagi 2 sama dengan 1. 3 dibagi 2 tidak bisa, maka 3-nya kita turunkan. Lalu 3 dan 1 bisa dibagi 3. 3 bagi 3 sama dengan 1, 3 bagi 1 sama dengan 1. Jadi FPB dari 12 dan 18 adalah 2 dikali 2 sama dengan 4. Nah, di sini pertanyaannya adalah berapa jumlah kaos dan celana yang diterima setiap anak. Jadi dapat jika mencari kaos berarti 12 dibagi dengan 4 sama dengan 3, berarti setiap anak mendapatkan 3 kaos, lalu 8 dibagi dengan 4 sama dengan 2. Maka celananya dapat 2.
Oke. Jadi jumlah anak terbanyak 4 dan jumlah kaos itu dibagi dengan jumlah anak terbanyak.
Iya.
Okay. Yeah, it's quite clear for me. Now we can move to summary point, Miss. Summary point.
Science.
Yeah, you will
Have
you
a project.
science only, right?
Yes. I'm sorry, sir. This is August,
Oh yeah. Next week is September.
September.
This one, right?
Yes.
Okay. Please explain what the point you have right here, Miss. You have
Okay. Predator need to hunt for food to survive. They are adapted to detect, catch, and kill prey. Yeah. Predator is created by our God to need to hunt for food for survive and for sustenance also. And then they are adapted to detect like eagle have a substance to detect the prey from the sky and then catch and kill the prey. It's like a cheetah can run fastest or run quickly so that they can catch the prey and kill. Like a lion and cheetah have a sharp teeth to tear the meat of the prey. Prey need to hide or run from their predators to survive. They are adapted to avoid being attacked or eaten by other animals. Yes, prey have special adaptations like camouflage. Prey have ability to camouflage or hiding and run. It's like a tortoise can hiding inside their cells to protect get eaten by other animal and then run like a deer. A deer can run faster so that they can avoid being attacked from the lion or other animal. Prey and predator have sharp sense to protect or hunt for themselves. Yes, it's like an owl. Owl have sharp sense and for sight and hearing. Owl can hearing any kind of movement of their prey, and also owl have a sight to see well at the dark, and the prey have kind of substance of hearings such as rabbit and deer. Rabbit and deer have a large ear to hear so much voice or any voice from another directions.
Yeah. Okay, now we can move to vocabulary list. Now we move to vocabulary vocabulary list. So here we have vocabulary list of science. Since for the next week you don't have the vocabulary list of math and mathematica. We can start from the first word, prey.
Prey is an animal hunted by predators for sustenance. Oh, sorry. Explanation in spoken is like organism pursued as food resources in natural ecosystem.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, limbs.
Limbs is in bahasa is organ. Limbs is like a body part that using for moving or walking or holding. And then explanation in spoken is like the long extensions. It's like an arm or a legs that for gripping or holding something.
What is it? Cling.
Cling, yeah. Cling is melekat in Indonesia. Cling is like cling is like attach, attach or sorry. The definition of cling is stick together, and then explanation in spoken. It's like stick itself or itself sticking firmly or remaining attached.
Okay. One more, approaching.
Approaching is getting closer to over time.
Okay.
Getting closer to something over time. Explanation in spoken. Approaching is like moving nearer to a person, object, or place.
For example.
For example, it's like the predator approaching their prey.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, Miss. I have asked for the homework book. You have explained the math and mathematica project as well, and I have asked from a question from mathematica since the next week is the review week and summary point and vocabulary as well. So I think that's all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.